Hey you guys, welcome back to another video with Naturally Day, and today I am going to show you guys how I make two different labels. So one label is going to be the Avery labels, and the Avery sticker I'm using is 8162. And then I am going to use this sticker paper that I got on Amazon, and I am going to post where I got this on Amazon down below. So I really do hope that this video helps you guys. I do get this question a lot, and I figured, you know what, let me do this label since I'm doing all my different labels since I'm rebranding. So right now my shop is closed, but I am going, you guys are the first to know, I am going to relaunch on May 29th, and that's a Friday, and like early in the morning, 8 a.m. 8 a.m. At 8 a.m. that's when I plan on opening my shop. I am going to have a total new product list. Everything's going to be different. So you guys just make sure you guys stay tuned for my launch date, and I really do hope this video helps you guys. If you guys are new, thank you so much for coming to this video. Please subscribe if you guys haven't already subscribed. Please like this video, and please share this video to anybody who you think could really use this video, because I feel like a lot of small beginning business owners are having a hard time of finding an easy, cheap way of doing their labels without breaking the bank right now. So these are two ways of doing your labels, so let's just get right into the video. Okay, so we're going to go into avery.com, and here we are going to go in and we are going to find our label template. This template is 8162, and these are, I believe, shipping labels. So from here, we are going to start designing. We're going to let this load up a little bit, and now we are going to select this blank sheet where it's already said select designing, and we are going to make sure we hit edit all. We want to make sure that the orange line is around the whole labeling, not just this one little square. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit this image logo on the left hand side, and we're going to add an image. Now I already have an account, so I already have it in my gallery. So I just use my logo, and now I am going to just shape it to the size I like. So now I'm going to add the text bar, and I had just put Flexi Gel. Now what I'm doing here is I'm just changing the size. So at first it was the font size was at 12, and I just changed it to 15, and now I'm going to end up kind of seeing where exactly I like the flaxseed sign to be. And I did forget that I did add the curling to it. So now I am going to add like just my little text, like the curling cream is good and blah 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 blah. This is where you could just add your information on your product. So this is what I'm doing here. And again, you guys could change the font, you guys could change the size. It could be bold, it could be underlined, italicized, it could be in different colors. You could change the lining, the spacing. So what I ended up doing was I really forget what this is called, but it's kind of like that poem type spacing, so that it's kind of like all together, and it has a pretty layout to it. So here I'm just sizing where I like everything to be. And now I'm just adding the 6 ounces to the bottom of the label. So on the bottom right hand corner, I'm going to put preview and print. And now I'm just going to print, but first I'm going to save this file to my account. So now I'm just going to give this project a name, and then I am going to print this off. So once I print these off, I'm going to see how my labels are going to look. So this is how they will look in the preview. So now I'm just going to print them now. So now I'm going to show you guys how I do my labels on sticker paper from Amazon, and I print them from home. You guys, these are super easy. So the first app I am going to go on to is PicsArt. So the first thing I am going to do is, once this opens up, I'm going to push the plus button on the bottom of the screen, and I'm going to go all the way down till I hit a white screen. So now I'm going to go down to the tools, and then I'm going to hit the crop sign. And now I am going to crop my screen to the size that I put on the screen. Now, you guys really do not have to put it to this size. This is just what I do to get the label size that I like. So now I'm going to go down to the thing that says add a photo, and now I'm going to add my logo. So I'm gonna put it at the top of the screen, and I'm gonna size it to the way I like it. Now again, when you guys get used to the feel of this, you guys could definitely do whatever you guys like. So now I'm just saving this to my phone, and now I am going to go into Fontos, and I am going to edit and add my wording in this app. So here I'm going to go to photo albums, and I'm going to go find that picture that I saved onto my phone from PicsArt. And now I'm going to just push add a text, and now I'm going to put my text. So these labels, I am going to put hair and body oil. So again, I'm just going to size it. And every time I want to size something, all I have to do is just push on the text, and this whole, like the text, the font, the style, the tilt, this size, all of that will come up. So here again, I just clicked anywhere on the page, and I pushed add text. So here again, I'm just adding my text. So I'm just gonna stop talking for a little bit and just let you guys watch. DJ Fanta. So now I'm going to save this image to my phone, and then now I'm going to go into Pic Collage, and then I'm going to go into Freestyle, and then at the bottom I'm going to go to Photos, and I'm going to add that photo that I just saved into Fontos. And now this is the time where you're going to have to pretty much see the size that you want your logo to be. So what I do is, like for my oil, what I do is I put the oil to a regular size sheet of paper, and then I pretty much see how big I want the logo compared to my bottle, and then I'll kind of roll it, make sure I get the sizing, and then I'll just kind of eyeball it when I come onto PicsArt. Now I've gotten pretty good at sizing this, Now, if it's smaller, of course, it's okay, but I don't want it to be bigger. So I've gotten pretty good to sizing it just right. But here, you guys, I don't know if this is everybody's PicsArt, but for me, when I add a photo, and if I try to make it a smaller size, it kind of gets fuzzy. So you're gonna kind of have to like play with it and get it to not be, to pretty much focus on your logo. But then you're also gonna kind of have to play with the positioning of your logo. So here on my page, I'm going to be able to print a good 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 logos. Yeah, about 15 logos. So that was actually, this is actually pretty good. And I will show you how it looks when they are printed. Alrighty, you guys, I really do hope that this video helped you. Please let me know down below if this video helped you. If you have any questions, comments, or even suggestions on how I could do something better, please let me know. If you guys have a business, drop your business down below. I am currently buying from other small business owners, and I'm doing small business promos. So I'm going to end up posting a promo video probably within by Saturday or Sunday. By Saturday or Sunday, I'll be posting this promo video of about 5 different shops that have either sent me their products or I bought from them, and I'm going to just promote small businesses because I feel like we should support small businesses during this time, and even before and after this time. We should always support our small business owners and just show our support to our community and our friends and our loved ones. You guys, thank you so much for coming and watching this video. I hope this really helped you guys. Please do not forget please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, and please share this video to anyone who you think will have who could use this video, because I'm pretty sure a lot of people could use this video. Again, you guys, just thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Alrighty, you guys, love you. Bye.